Come ride the little train that is rolling down the tracks to the junction. Forget about your cares, it is time to relax at the junction. Lots of curves, you bet, and even more when you get to the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
There's a little hotel called the Shady Rest at the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
It is run by Kate. Come and be her guest at the junction.
Hey group, good morning here. We'll be back here in Marion, Ohio here, and right over here we got brand new diamonds. They just replaced here in the past week, so we do have our first train of the day here, Norfolk Southern. So here he comes. We do have some workers down here at the other end here checking things out too in the area. So, all right, let's turn around and take a look. There he comes. Making noise for the boys. And it appears we have coal this morning. CPUs coming at the end. Oh, they're in the middle. Check it out, 3 of them. Wells Fargo. As you can see, we got some workers checking out the tracks after they went by. No, the wrong set of tracks. And once again, there she goes. Boy, what do you think of that one? That was a long coal train. I assume it probably came from Sandusky, Ohio coal docks too, I would assume so. By the way, we do have the railroad tie spiker back here behind me here, so we'll introduce him shortly though, and we'll be right back. Hey, we're back again, and hey, we got the railroad tie spiker. Hey, man. What do you think of that train, man? That was a long coal train.
It was 2 trains in one, maybe 3.
Oh, I
Didn't think it'd ever end.
I tell you, I bet it came from Sandusky coal docks. I bet you is where it came from.
I know those DPUs on the end were working hard.
Oh yeah,
it's
they
still here.
sure
They're about what, half a mile down the road?
Probably
down the rail.
But anyway, what do you think of the diamonds, man? Hey, what I seen of the night shots of that, man, they did a heck of a lot of work over here. But anyway, as you all know, we do have new diamonds here, and many thanks to these gentlemen back behind us there. They're looking down along the line at the track and stuff, though, and making sure everything's going to hold together, though. So we got to give them a thumbs up on that, too. All right, we're going to see what other action we can get, and we'll be right back at you again here. Since they've been doing all the work around here, the diamonds here, I'm going to show you what's left of the old diamonds here. Let's check it out. Right here, oh yeah, the base plates, I would assume, from the old diamonds though. And look at that 1-inch thick steel right there, exactly. You can see where they yanked out the section of rails over here that was prefabbed, or, well, maybe I worded it wrong. They cut out the section they don't want and they just threw it on over here. Here's some more remnants of the diamonds. I'll bet you that's probably a good chunk of scrap change too for the scrappers. But don't get any ideas, guys, because I don't think you'd get too far with it. Anyway, this is what some of the remnants of the diamonds here is left. So, all right, and we have these guys going right by us. And once again, got to give them a thumbs up though for the great job they've been doing here. All right, we'll be right back again briefly. We still have these two gentlemen in the area though, and they're over here checking out the brand new diamonds over there. And I'll tell you what, definitely got to give them a thumbs up for these guys here. They're keeping America moving though. And thank you for your service over there, guys. Thank you for your service. All right. Got to give them credit because they do keep us moving. So, all right, we'll be right back. Back at you again. Got another NS coming here, so let's take a look, see what it is. Looks like an Intermodal. Well, once again, there she goes. Okay, what do you think? Them diamonds are nice and stable. They don't move one bit. All right, we'll be right back. Here's some more interesting spots here. Seems like they're doing a little welding and repair down there on the rail. Probably something must have happened when that coal train went through there in that intermodal, but it's hard saying at this point. But definitely a lot of workers in the area, so all right, we're gonna see if we can get to another train. So far it's a bit slow. Oh, look at here, we got some rail yard action now going on. Okay, what they are doing here is they're pushing these cars in here for CSX to pick up from Norfolk. And we got him before when they fired this thing up. And the conductor was on the end of the train up there. I imagine he's gonna stop it right there somewhere. Alright, when he comes back the other way, we'll be right back. Okay, he did release those cars. Waiting for CSX to come pick them up. Okay, there he goes back in the yard. Maybe probably get some more. So, all right, we'll be right back. Checking out, they're doing some thermite welding over there. Yeah, they must have had a problem there, and indeed they are fixing it. So, okay, good job. Okay, guess what? We got our first CSX coming for the day. He was last reported in Bloomington, Ohio, New Bloomington. But here he comes. And it is an intermodal. Okay, well, there she goes too. So that was our first CSX of the day. And again, I'm keeping my voice low so I don't get into the railroad tie spikers audio. So, all right,
It is run by Kate.
we'll be right back.
Be her guest at the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
And that's Uncle Joe. He's a moving kind of slow at the junction. Petticoat Junction.